Alright guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. We're going to continue working on this garden, getting it all cleaned up and mulching the grass down. And then I got to go get my rototiller because I forgot I loaned it out to my dad. So I need to get that done today. But let's work on got a couple more tomato cages to get out of here and pull these pepper plants out of here and get them over to the fire pit. So let's get at that. Alright, let's go ahead and get this mowed down, and this garden will be done until I get my tiller back from my dad's. So let's go ahead and get this thing mowed. It's all mowed down. Now I'll let the chickens out here in a couple days and they will annihilate all these like little tomatoes and stuff and any seeds that are in here, because typically I don't have like any strays that come up throughout the year. So all right, I got one more project to do this morning. I gotta fix the stall door. Let's go over and get that done. Alright, well, horses love to chew this pine wood up, so I'm going to try to get this board off and replace it. don't know if I'm gonna be able to. That bit. All right, guys, all fixed up. It's good for now. I mean, I got to redo all these stalls, but one thing at a time. This is hardwood, so he won't chew on that. He won't be able to. So. All right, guys, that's it for today. Rest of the day is soccer for the kids. So I'm gonna end the video here, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't. I see it, there's a lot of people watching my videos, but they're not subscribing. So if I can get you guys to subscribe, that'd be awesome. But I'll catch you guys on the next one.